While we were still in gear number 6, we were almost reduced to gear number 4. Gear number 4, in that as a country, together with our stakeholders, we were very much committed to the polio end game, the strategy, 2013-2018, as part of our global polio eradication initiative. Gear number 6. But now we are in gear number 4. That's a slow movement, ladies and gentlemen. But therefore, when we confirmed the presence of the polio virus in our environmental samples, we were to engage ourselves in gear number 5. And therefore, because we have to go to gear number 6 and if possible to gear number 7, because polio has to end in this country. But as a country, are we going to continue to being responding to disease outbreaks? We are still working around on how to get rid of the cholera and other diseases. We still have dengue, chikungunya, and all that. It remains still our responsibility. And therefore, for us, and what we are doing as a ministry together with support of our partners, is to ensure that we have strong and resilient health systems that are going really to respond to these public health emergencies.